Good morning, team. Today, I want to emphasize the importance of punctuality. It's a crucial aspect of professionalism and patient care.
I agree, Mihira. Being on time shows respect for our colleagues and patients.
Exactly. Punctuality not only reflects our commitment to our work, but also ensures smooth workflow and efficient patient care. When we're late, it can disrupt schedules, delay procedures, and cause inconvenience to patients.
What are some strategies to improve punctuality?
Planning and time management are key. We should prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and avoid multitasking. Additionally, it's important to anticipate potential delays and plan accordingly.
What about unforeseen circumstances, like traffic or unexpected patient needs?
In such cases, it's essential to communicate with our colleagues and supervisors in advance. Transparency and honesty are crucial.
How can we motivate ourselves to be punctual, Mihira?
Setting personal goals and tracking our punctuality can help. We can also reward ourselves for achieving our goals. Remember, punctuality is a habit that can be cultivated with consistent effort.
MIHIRA, it is so important that you feel safe and confident while managing your health at home. And I want to talk with you about something we can watch for together. When your body is losing more fluid than it is taking in, it sends you gentle signals that it needs attention. If you ever notice a very dry mouth that does not feel better with a sip of water, if your urine becomes much darker or more concentrated than usual, or if you feel dizzy or faint when you stand up, these are signs that your body's fluid levels are getting low. These signals are not something to be frightened of, but they are something to listen to, and they let you know it is time to act. MIHIRA, to help us stay ahead of this, I would like to suggest a simple rhythm to your day. If you can check your weight each morning at the same time, it gives us a very clear picture of what is happening. A quick drop in weight can sometimes mean fluid loss before other signs appear. Checking your blood pressure regularly, especially when you sit and stand, can also be very helpful. You can even gently press on your skin over your abdomen or forearm for a moment and see how quickly it springs back. This is called skin turgor, and it is another quiet way your body tells its story. Keeping this simple log is not about being worried all the time. It is about giving you the power to notice changes early and to feel secure in your daily life, knowing you have a clear picture of your well-being.